Hey YouTube, it's Frank here, and today the next video in the Search for Carrie video series. I did a series like this last year, and it was really fun, so I decided to do another one this year. This is a second one of these that we've been opening. It's the episode 7, The Force Awakens Hobby Box Series 1. First one, I don't like talking about what we got in the other boxes in case you haven't seen those videos. So you just have to watch and see what we got. You can actually get these if you shop around for a really good price. The prices vary quite a bit, so definitely you would want to shop around for a box of these if you want some. Again, really expensive or reasonably priced, and I went with reasonably priced. And there's still people that sell these on eBay at a good price, and they're good sellers on eBay, not something sketchy. All right, so we got a Han Solo, First Order Flame Trooper, Poe Dameron, a Stormtrooper sticker. I don't think I have that one. A blue R2-D2. There is a concept. Yeah, Stormtrooper concept art. Rey in her speeder and green Kylo Ren. There are 2 hits per box in this. So it's better than the Star Wars Force Awakens Chrome that only has 1 hit per box. Ilko Muniko, Guavian Death Gang Enforcer, a Millennium Falcon sticker. That's cool. FM 2187, blue. You got Creatures in the Castle, movie scenes. There's a code there for somebody for digital pack. Rey starts the Millennium Falcon. FN 2187, also known as Finn, and a green FN 2187. I got Captain Phasma, Unkar Plutt, a blue Special Forces TIE Fighter. There's concept art. That was a really great visual of having Kylo Ren in the snowfall on Starkiller Base. That was so cool in that movie. Starkiller Base, free from the First Order, Resistance X-Wing Fighter, and a green PZ Forcio. That's funny. They made action figures of this guy before the movie came out, and he was on the post, or not posters, but you thought this guy was going to be a big character in the movie. I think he was in there for like 1 second. They like to do that to you to make you think they're going to be a major character, and then, I guess not. Qui-Gold, First Order TIE Pilot, Lor Santeca. There's a New Found Friends movie scenes. Kylo Ren's lightsaber, Rey's new friend, Battle for BB-8, and a green Unclar's Thug. Definitely getting excited for the new movie to come out. I'm trying to find out if I can get pre-order some tickets for the opening night. There's a theater I want to go to that has reserved seating, so I'm gonna try to get a nice good seat to the opening night of that. Hopefully tickets go on sale soon. Kylo Ren's Promise, Finn Fires. There's a Kylo Ren sticker, getting lots of stickers. Kylo Ren's Command Shuttle, that's blue. Han and Finn ready for battle, movie scenes. Invasion of Jakku, Rey dines at home, and Neon Numb, green. Okay, we got GA97, Chewbacca, Constable Zuvio, Captain Phasma sticker, Kylo Ren blue. There is another one of those digital packs. I don't know if they all have the same code, so I don't know. I don't know if those codes do anybody any good. Into the Superstar Destroyer, First Order Transporter, and Green Guavian Death Gang Enforcer. There's a Chancellor Villachum, First Order TIE Fighter. There's a purple Ray and Finn's Escape. The cast assembled behind the scenes. Concept art, that's pretty sweet. The Millennium Falcon. Flight of the X-Wing, the Finalizer, and a green Crusher Rudown. Oh, that's a medallion or something. I say something because I thought one of those was a medallion in my last box, and it wasn't. Kylo Ren's Command Shuttle. Praster Omlin, Hask Triplets, a blue Crusher Rudown, the Rightful Pilot movie scenes, Ray's AT-AT location, Poe's interrogation, and Corsella. Don't remember her from the movie. In green. Finn, Unkar's Thug, purple the Millennium Falcon. I think it's concept art of Han and Chewie aboard the Falcon. D93 Incinerator Flamethrower, scavenging the battlefield, freeing BB-8, and a green Chancellor Villachum. Tito Walks Away, General Organa, Unkar's Thug in blue, monitoring resistance operations movie scenes, Tonful Village locations, Finn through the desert, pursuit through the wreckage, and a green First Order TIE Fighter. General Hux, Tasu Leech, Strano Cookie Tugs. There's R2-D2 sticker. That's like a poster card. That's really cool. Montage cards. Purple Ray's Invitation, First Order Snowspeeder, and R2-D2 green. Admiral Akbar. We got Snapped Wexley, Poe Dameron, another montage card of Chewbacca. That's concept art, that big scene of General Hux's speech, Starkiller Base, the capture of Lor Santeca, Han Solo and Chewbacca return home, and a green Kylo Ren's Command Shuttle. Sarko Plank, First Order Stormtrooper, Prue Suivant. Don't remember him from the movie, that's for sure. Blue PZ Forcio. There's a Captain Phasma, First Order Rises. Resistance Pilot Snap Wexley movie scene. Ray returns home, and a green Praster Omlin. Wellis, Bagnoro, and Isby. Baba Joe. Okay, I thought that was a sketch or something. Praster Omlin. It's concept art of Poe Dameron. Jakku location. Finn's grand plan. Poe Dameron's mission, and Ray green. You can get sketch cards in this. Special Forces TIE Fighter in the Naima Marketplace. Chewbacca sticker. There's another montage. I don't remember getting very many of these montage cards. Those are cool. There's a concept art of Resistance pilots. a scavenger known as Ray, Ray's Invitation, and green General Hux. Alright, this one we got Me and Numb, Dr. Colonia in the Naima Marketplace Blue, First Order Rises Stormtrooper, Resistance Conference movie scene, Finn faces Captain Phasma, Ray faces Unkar Plutt, and Special Forces TIE Fighter green. Still looking for another hit in here. BB-8, Jashko Furus, there's Finn sticker, Poe's Interrogation purple, the Millennium Falcon's cockpit movie scene, Tito's Big Find, Ray refuses Unkar, and green Colonel Datu. Straighten this stack out a little bit. Alright, 4 packs left. No, a little bit more than that. Got FN 2187, Crusher Rudown, Blue First Order TIE Fighter, Stowaways Discovered movie scene, Ray's Blaster, Ray and Finn's Ray and Finn's Escape, Escaping from Ties, and green Tassu Leech. There's Ray. I think we might have something in this pack. Colonel Datu, Riot Control Stormtrooper. Oh, that's concept art of Ray. Nice. Leia Organa's Blaster. BB-8 tags along. Unkar's Offer, and green in the Naima Marketplace. 4 packs left. Got Corcella, C-3PO, Crash on Jakku, Purple the Finalizer. There's a First Order Rises Stormtrooper Attack. I thought that was a sketch too. I had some concept of some dude that blue goggles. A Clever Hiding Spot, and green Strong Cookie Tugs. Alright. Tito, Major Emat, Hask Triplets in green or blue. Scripting the Future Behind the Scenes. That's a cool montage card of Captain Phasma, concept art. Wow, okay. Directions to Naima Outpost, Stormtrooper Assault, and green Riot Control Stormtrooper. We're getting really low on packs now. We got 2 packs. One of these has a hit, and then we know this is a hit. So let's open this one. Got Sidon Ethano. Oh, here's our other hit. Athgar Heese Balatik. We've got Home of the Stormtrooper, First Order Rises, Ilko Munico. We got a plate. And we've got Running from Stormtroopers. And one other card here. We got the First Order Confers. Let's save that that prank plate. Open this last pack. Major Brants, Razu Kinfi, Admiral Statura, Purple, a scavenger known as Ray. Oh, there's a gold Sarko Plank out of 100. So that's our only numbered card we've gotten. Almost didn't get one. With BB-8 Behind the Scenes, Poe's X-Wing Fighter, and green Hask Triplets. Okay, let's see what the plate is. Ooh, that's pretty nice. bunch of stormtroopers coming out of a spaceship there. Invasion of Jakku, card 63. That's pretty nice. Printing plates are actually good hits in Star Wars. Better than getting just some nobody type auto. So it's not, of course, like getting a sketch card. Some people think they're better than sketch cards, but I actually like sketch cards better than plates. But this is a nice plate. I don't know if you can see that on camera very good. Yeah, yes you can. Okay, and then this pack right here. So we got a green Dr. Colonia and Han Solo's blaster and Stormtrooper. Well, it's numbered. A medallion card out of 199. Galactic medallion. Really thick. Pretty heavy. So, I'd much rather have a sketch card, but this is not a terrible box. Got a printing plate of Stormtroopers and a nice medallion numbered out of 199 Stormtrooper and a gold Sarco plank. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.